Hi, 你好, I'm Chef Tom. I'm going to show you today how to make vegan, vegetarian 捞面. Let's get started. Stir-fried 捞面 and noodle is very versatile cooking. It's better than carry out if you can do it good at home. Very convenient, very fast, and you can utilize a lot of different kind of chopped vegetable. And this product that I use actually is from New York. I used to have a vegetarian restaurant long time ago. It's made from soy and chai. It's gluten-free and no GMO. It's the meatless meat. They call it vegetarian chicken, but it's not meat. It smells soy, got a nice flavor, high in protein. I'm going to show you how to do it. Here I have celery, bok choy, bean sprout, onion, all green and yellow, some bamboo shoot. This is a vegetarian meat. They come in strip or they come in nugget, and you just cut it into little pieces. And I have a boiling water and cook some Asian lo mein pasta. Or you can use spaghetti or rice noodle or buckwheat noodle, any kind of noodle that you like. Here, I'm gonna do my basic spices. Excuse my soy sauce spoon. Ginger, garlic, and hot chili. I purposely like to cook with fresh garlic and ginger. And chili just bring out a little spices and a little kick. Fresh ginger garlic is anti-inflammatory for digestive system. It's really good for you, right? But it's hard to eat it raw. So you want to cook it like this. And we're going to add some soy sauce. Maybe 1, 2 tablespoon. Basically, lo mein, you don't need a lot of flavor ingredient. You have soy sauce, you have ginger and garlic and hot chili. And I'm going to show you how to cook the lo mein in the right way. And if you want to make it into like Thai flavor, you can add some fish sauce. And then you want to balance with some sweetness. Sometimes you can balance with honey, I prefer. Raw honey is great. Brown sugar. Little white sugar. It's okay. 1 or 2 teaspoons, right? A can of pot is like 6-7 teaspoons sugar, so it's okay, little sweetness. Otherwise, the flavor just saltiness and ginger and garlic. It almost like you need to have a combine of a different kind of multiple level of the flavor in your mouth. When you bite it, eat it, you can remember, oh, I got this from Thailand, I got this from that Latin Blue Pearl, I got this from Sichuan Empire restaurant. Oh, it just bring you back a lot of memories, experience. You want to have that comfort. We call it comfort food. You ready? I'm gonna show you how to cook. Before we start cooking, relax your body, your shoulder, your arm, everything. I just finished playing 3 hours of pickleball. A little sore. All right, let's get it started. Medium high heat, frying pans. This one-man show, okay? Please don't laugh at me. One-man show. Here we go. Frying pans. And I have this Chinese lo mein. Get it from the Asian store. I just cook it for 7 minutes. And you don't need to drain the noodle out and put in the cold water and cool off. No, you don't need those steps. It's just me style cooking is simple, 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 and delicious. This is a big frying pan. Not yet. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Okay. Little bit of vegetable cooking oil. Not much. Not much at all. We're not cooking any meat. Like that. How's that? And then okay, it's ready. Add some ginger, garlic, and chili in. Beautiful, beautiful. Don't burn it. Smells really good right now. Super easy to cook, lo mian, pasta. Let's talk about this. Shiitake mushroom is great. Carrot, asparagus, purple cabbage, right? All kind of vegetable mixed in that you have left over. Open your fridge, see what you have. Cut it little strip, julienne cut, doesn't matter. Beautiful. Look at this. The next thing, I'm gonna add in the pasta. Little dripping water is okay, no big deal. I'm gonna save some for other things. I'm gonna save half noodle for maybe next time I do something else. Now, stir for a few minutes. We want to massage the pasta. I mean, let the ginger and garlic and the hot sauce get into the pasta. The only thing when you cook noodle pasta, you don't want to overcook it. Read the instruction, the label. I like al dente, you know? So don't overcook it. Okay, now we're gonna add in soy sauce. Even though I have 2 tablespoons soy sauce, but my body make me feel that I don't want to use 2 tablespoons. This is enough. I can feel it. You gotta feel it. Heavy. Yeah, I think this is good. I don't want to use the whole 2 tablespoons. Okay? Ground pepper. A little bit mayo. A little bit sesame oil. Alright. Let them turn the fire down. Tell me there's too much for you to do at home. If I can do it, you can do it. Ready to eat? Let's give it a try. Vegetarian meat. It's very good. slurp the noodle. That's how you have flavor in your mouth. Who cares? Enjoy. Enjoy life. Stay healthy. I'm Chef Tom. I hope you like the video. I see you next time. Bye. Yummy.